Assalamualaikum, 6th class. Today we are going to do lesson number 1, grammar part, and in which we do A, B, F, and G part. A, B, F, and G part of grammar part. Okay. So please kindly open the page number. Kindly open the page number 6 from your textbook. Page number 6. Okay, page number 6, in which they talk about common noun. Common noun. First of all, you know about what is noun. Then you know about common noun. So firstly, noun. What is noun? A noun is a name of person, place और थिंग. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज के नाम को, जगह के नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं? नाउन बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट, कॉमन नाउन क्या है? कॉमन नाउन, वी फाइंड इजीली थिंग्स. वन सेकेंड. The things, person and place around us we find commonly everywhere. It's called common noun. ठीक है, जो हम commonly जो है चीजों को हम हमें पता चल जाता है, उन चीजों को हम क्या कहते हैं जो आमतौर पर हमें मिल जाती हैं, उन्हें हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. डेफिनेशन देखें. कॉमन नाउन, common noun is a name of common person, place और थिंग. जो कॉमन चीजें हैं जो आमतौर पे हमें मिल जाती हैं, जो लोग मिल जाते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन नाउन बोलते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉय, स्टूडेंट, पेन, ट्री, फैसलाबाद, सिटी, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है, ये सब चीजें जो है हमें आमतौर पर कॉमनली मिल जाती हैं, तो हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? कॉमन नाउन बोलेंगे. सो सी द डेफिनेशन फ्रॉम योर बुक. A common noun is a word that names people, place and thing. यानी कॉमन नाउन क्या है? आम चीजों, फर्द का या किसी भी जगह के नाम को कहते हैं. दे आर नॉट द नेम्स ऑफ अ सिंगल पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. ये एक सिंगल पर्सन से वगैरह रिलेट नहीं करता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैन, कैट, बुक, स्कूल एक्सेट्रा. नाउ we can do now part A. Fill in the blanks using the common noun given below. अब आपने करना क्या है? जो आपको नीडर दी गई है, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, आपने उसमें कॉमन नाउन पुट करने हैं. ठीक है. तो कॉमन नाउन क्या है? जो आम चीज है, आम शख्स है, आम जगह के नाम जो है, उसको हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. तो हमने क्या करना है? कॉमन नाउन जो वर्ड्स हैं, हमने वो इसमें फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में पुट करने हैं. सो फर्स्ट, सी द स्टेटमेंट. A person who sails on the water is called, according to sentence, who sails? A sailor. Put this word on blank place. Second, a person who acts in a play is called a actor. Who act? A actor. An actor. Second, a person who tells lie is called a. कौन झूठ बोलता है? Who lie? A liar. Four, a person who begs is called a beggar. Who begs? A beggar. कौन भीख मांगता है? A beggar. भिखारी. 5, see the statement. A person who has studied law is called a dash. Lawyer. Who study law? A lawyer. Vakeel. Put these words on the blank place. Okay. No, just write on the book. This is your work page. Page work, sorry. Okay. See, next part B, pick out 5 proper noun from the lesson. Now, what is proper noun? A proper noun is a name of particular. Particular means past. Particular person, place, or thing is called proper noun. Okay. The name of specific, जो specific होती हैं चीजें, ठीक है, जिनको हम, जो हमारे लिए खास होती हैं, उन चीजों के, उन लोगों के नामों को, उन जगह के नामों को हम क्या कहते हैं? हम कहते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन. अ नेम ऑफ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, प्लेस or thing is called proper noun. See the definition from on your book. A proper noun is the name of specific. Specific means khas. Person, place or thing. The first letter of the proper noun is always represented by a capital letter. For example, Khatija Rahul. Okay. So now what? See the statement of part C. Complete the following sentence with proper noun. Fill in the blanks. Now we find some proper noun and put these words in blank place. Part C. Okay, so my name is Dash. You write whatever name. I write Usman, or also write Aisha. Whatever you write. Next, I live in Dash. I live in Faisalabad. In the third, my birthday is in Dash month. We take today's date, 20th April 2007. Now, my favorite day of the week is Dash. Sunday. You put these words in the blank place. I repeat this. The name of my school is, on 5th number, White Rose School System. White Rose School System. The name of your school is White Rose School System. You can see that these all, the word is a proper noun. Usman, Aisha is a specific name. Okay, these are proper nouns. Faisalabad is only one city in Pakistan. That's why it's a proper noun. Date, Sunday, and White Rose School also belongs to the proper noun. These are proper noun. Now we are doing part F. Okay, so read the following sentence taken from the lesson, underline simple past verb. They give us a lines from the text. Okay, we find past indefinite tense from these lines. ठीक है, हमने इन लाइनों में past indefinite tense जो है वो हमने बताना है, उसको अंडरलाइन करना है. तो पहले स्ट्रक्चर देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रक्चर, फर्स्ट वी राइट सब्जेक्ट एंड देन सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड लास्ट में हम जो है ऑब्जेक्ट राइट करते हैं. वी राइट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ये स्ट्रक्चर होगा आपका, जिसमें इस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर होगा वो आपका पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहलाएगा. ओके, सो हमने करना क्या है. फर्स्ट, इन हिज यंग एज ही बिकेम अ ट्रेडर. सो अंडरलाइन the line, he became a trader. This line belongs to past indefinite tense. He became a trader. Next, 2, he traded with others people money with great care. So first line, he traded with other people's. So you just underline he traded with other people's money. Okay. See next statement 3. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised his companion to avoid doubtful things in business dealing. So the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised, nasihat ki. So just underline these words because these word belongs to past indefinite tense. Why? Because in this part there are used second form of verb and second form of verb belongs to past indefinite tense. Last 4, the Rasul give great importance to fair business dealing. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave great importance. You just underline these words. Okay. Okay, last part G. Now we are doing part G. Now we are doing part G. Okay, so use simple past verb. Simple past verb means second form of verb. Okay. To complete these sentence, we use second form of verb and complete the filling the blanks. Okay. They give us first form of verb, we convert these forms of verb into second form of verb. हमने first दी गई है, हमने उसको second में change करना है. क्यों change करना है? Because this belongs to simple past tense. Simple past tense means past indefinite tense. This sentence is only sentence in which we use second form of verb. Okay, always remember this. Okay, first I dashed a snake last night. See is the first form of verb and because of past indefinite tense, this first form of verb convert the second form of verb because we do simple past tense. तो आपने इसमें क्या लिखना है? Just start. P की second form sa. She dash last night. Come दिया हुआ है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Came. Came is the second form of came. Come. Third, they dash for a walk on Sunday. Go हमें दिया गया है, इसकी second form क्या है? Went. We use went. On the fourth position, we dash football last week. Play, played, played. Second form is played. She dash a long story in last. Right? Second form of the right is wrote. Okay. Okay, your today's lecture is complete now. Any question, class? Okay, class, Allah Hafiz.